How to fix alarm not working on your iPhone device. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. And this video today I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix if your alarm isn't working on your iPhone. Well, to fix an iPhone alarm that's not working, you want to start by checking the alarm settings. You want to make sure that your alarm is enabled. So you head into clocks and you can set up the alarm here. For example, you want to set up the alarm. I'll save it here. Right? And you want to make sure it is enabled here. Right? You also want to ensure the sound is not set to none and verify that your volume is up. You don't want your volume to be low, as there will not be any media volume, right? So you want to make sure it is not low. If that doesn't work, you want to try restarting your iPhone or resetting all settings, while noting that resetting all settings will require you to configure your preferences as well. Also consider disabling the attention aware features in Face ID settings, as this can sometimes lower alarm volume. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.